So this is the warehouse, and this downstairs is excluded, right? But they're going to remove everything here. It's excluded. So this is warehouse here. But the main place they want to rent is upstairs, guys. So we're going to the up. That's the main place they are renting. So this is the place they want to rent here. You see how wide it is. Very wide. Keeps everything balance. Very, very, very wide. Extremely wide. So it is the warehouse, bro. From this beginning now, let's start. Let's see how big this place is. It's massive for your production or whatever you want to do. Yeah. Very massive. 315 square meters. So this is only one way entrance to this place. We will seal it off. And again, I think there's something like a store here. See another big space here. All these things will be moved out. They will move it out. Then the person will have here. And according to what I heard, there is also a store in the down where they can use as an office. So this is it. Let's go down. So use your waist to it down. So here is the office, and this is the road for you to go out. You see, very good place like this.